You what these look like when you're wearing them. So I have them over, have my hat on, and this is the boom mic that you can easily, just with one finger, look how easy that is, bring it up or bring it down. And remember I talked about you want to have your mic around 2 to 3 fingers away from your mouth. A couple things that does for you. First of all, it allows you to eat if you need to eat while driving or even speaking. And then also it really helps with a lot of the breathing that could take place with your mic. So if you notice this side, this is what it looks like, and then they don't come off easy, so I can shake my head. You know, they're very comfortable. You'll notice how it is going to be right on top of my ears on each side. Now, what you're hearing me is through the actual mic of my camera. We're going to switch so that you can hear what the audio sounds like coming from the system itself. Let's go ahead and do that. All right, guys, so now the audio is coming through the actual mic. So this is what you would hear if you're driving. Now notice, I don't have the windscreen on because there's not a lot of wind going on, and I'm not in a vehicle, so you don't hear like the windows open down. But this should give you a sense of what the quality of this mic sounds like. Now, around me, you'll see cars that are passing by. I'm in the Midwest. It's kind of gotten cold already, so now you see me wearing a jacket. But you'll see a car passing by right now. And the thing is, see if you can hear that car passing by. Again, this video is not being adjusted in any way. I'm not modifying the audio. This is what a person hears when they're speaking to you over this headset. So we'll go ahead and continue to talk about a couple other features that the headset has. Now, first of all, this is a multi-point headset. It means that it can actually connect to 2 phones. In addition to that, it will support the Google Assistant and Siri Assistant by pressing the actual buttons. Also, very, very comfortable, and we can talk a little bit about music now. So I've been testing this from audio quality, and it has great bass, mids and highs. You really feel it. And I'll tell you, the experience for music, when it has both earpieces on, is completely immersive. So you just melt away, and all you do is enjoy the actual music. So great for audiobooks, great for music. Now, obviously, if you're in a driving situation, you're not going to want to cover both ears. So what I would do is I would take this one earpiece off, and that would be great. So you're going to have a great listening experience, but you'll be able to listen to what's going on with the other ear. But let's say you're parked, or let's say that you're in an office setting and you just want to disappear from everything that's around you and still focus. Having both earpieces on creates great immersion when it comes to sound. And again, bass, mids, and high are all there.